How to disable YouTube Shorts. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to remove your YouTube Shorts from YouTube home feed. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch your YouTube application on your device and ensure to log in or sign into your particular account. When you scroll to the down on this home feed of your YouTube, you will see Shorts section. So in order to disable, there is no any certain button that help us disable quickly as on one click. But there is a trick to disable this YouTube Shorts from your YouTube home feed. That is, on the section you have to tap on the particular YouTube Shorts three dots and select not interested. You have to do this for the entire YouTube Shorts, like four are available here. So let's do it. Once you have done that, you need to completely close YouTube application on your device. And then you have to again reopen YouTube application. If the YouTube Shorts are still available, you have to do the same for the twice time. So let's do it. So once you are done with that, again, you need to close the YouTube application like the same and reopen YouTube. And once you open, you have to refresh the page of YouTube home feed. And when you scroll to the down, you won't see the YouTube Shorts section. That means we have finally disabled the YouTube Shorts. So that was quite easy and simple. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.